Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Canara bank account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Canara Bank is one of the largest Indian government-owned bank. It is under the ownership of Ministry of Finance Government of India, and it is headquartered in Bengaluru. If you would like to log into your bank account and Canara, go and tap open any web browser first, go to the URL of canarabank.com and search. You'll end up in the official website of Canara Bank. Now in order to log into your account, tap on this net banking option. Now on the next page, you can either enter to net banking desktop site or net banking retail from the options displayed on the screen. Tap on anyone and on the next page, you can go ahead and type in your username, password, and a verification text in order to log into your account. Start by typing in your username and then your password on the next field. Make sure to type in the correct password and then go to the next box and type in the Captcha that you see in the text box. Once you type in the text, you can easily go and tap on the login button to log into your account. But if you'd like to listen to the text before typing it in, tap on this audio button, and you'll be able to listen to the text that has been displayed on the screen. Simply type in the text. If you don't have an account yet, you can tap on the new user option and follow the instructions to register first. In case you've forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password link at the bottom of the screen and follow the instructions to reset your new password. Similarly, you can also look for your user ID in case you forget your user ID. Top up Forgot User ID right below the login box. Follow the instruction to look for it. After entering all the credentials needed in the boxes, tap on Login in order to log into your account. And that is it. That is how you can easily log into Canara bank account in no time. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till